Good morning. This lesson is a continuation of the previous lecture on basics of communication. So let's begin. Communication happens even without language in the form of graffiti, paintings, distinctive sounds, gestures, and of course body language. Here we have to think about whether communication takes place only through language or not. So it is clear that communication happens in the form of graffiti, meaning words or pictures that are written or drawn in public places, example on walls or posters. Also, communication takes place in the form of paintings, special sounds, through gestures, meaning through movement of part of the body, especially hand or the head, to express what an idea or meaning, and also through body language. Research claims that a major part of our communication happens through gestures, eye movements, and other forms of body movements. So what research states is that a major part of our communication happens how? Through gestures, through movement of the eyes, and also through body language. That is, movements by which attitudes and feelings are communicated. Etymologically, the word communication originally meant to share publicly. Etymology is the study of the origin and history of words. So the word communication originally meant what? To share publicly. Today, the word has a more precise meaning, sharing knowledge and information. So today, the word that is communication, it has a more exact meaning, that is sharing knowledge and information. Communication therefore enables people to share ideas, messages and thoughts through various mediums that range from verbal, visual, non-verbal or over channels perpetrated by the mass media or the internet. Communication therefore allows people to share what? Ideas, messages and thoughts through various mediums, and the mediums through which communication takes place ranges from verbal, which means through words, visual, that is through things that you can see. Communication also takes place through non-verbal, that is through expression on your face, hand movements, tone of voice, or over channels carried out by the mass media, which includes television, radio, newspapers and magazines. Also, it can take place through internet.